14 to 17 inches. Oh, that's nothing. I'm gonna bring my shovel. We will definitely do it.
Yeah, but the snow makes the house feel so cozy. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
No, it's just gonna be a dusting. We can totally just brush off the steps.
I know. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is a great opportunity. A great opportunity. Oh no, don't worry. The plow will come through soon.
I know, I wondered too, but I understand they're having a gathering here. Oh, I gotta go. We're having a party! We're having a